Hi, I'm Joseph Dominguez. I'm a cyber insurance specialist, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you about cybersecurity and cyber insurance and how it can protect your business. Question: I have an IT department. Do I really need cyber insurance? Answer: yes, you do. An IT department is a great thing to have, or an IT guy is a great person to have, but they can only do so much. What they do is they update your network, they make sure that you have virus protection, and that everything is completely updated. But unfortunately, the majority of all cyber attacks are human error. And that means that one of your employees or yourself accidentally clicks on that email or falls victim to a phishing attack or some other way that a criminal or hacker gets into your system. So even if you have the best IT system in the world or best IT guy or department in the world, nothing is perfect and nothing is invulnerable. Viruses are being created as we make this video. A new virus is being worked on and being released in the world. So the virus protection that you have on your computer right now is not set up or ready for that new virus. So we always want to make sure that you're updating all the time, but if that new virus comes out tomorrow, goes to your system today, you can get hacked, you can get compromised. So what a cyber liability policy does is it will protect you if that happens. And again, there's no 100% secure thing you can do except not use the internet. Subscribe to this channel to learn more on cybersecurity and cyber insurance. Ring the notification bell and check out our website.